NOCO Genius 1 ships in standby mode. A mode must be selected prior to use. If the battery is too low to be detected, the Genius 1 has a built-in force mode that can manually activate charging and start the recovery process. If the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery, but does not come out of standby when the mode button is pressed, force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. To access force mode, ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure connection to the battery. Then, press and hold the mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Once active, all available modes will flash. Toggle through the modes by pressing the mode button until the correct one is selected. The charge LEDs will begin to chase, indicating that force mode is charging. After 5 minutes, Genius will return to the selected charge mode. The charge LEDs will indicate the current charge level of the connected battery, and the green LED will illuminate when the battery is fully charged. If the charger returns to standby after the forced charge cycle, it likely means the battery should be tested by a professional.